Good morning. Today we will discuss the isometric views. Basically, there are two types: isometric views and isometric projections. In isometric view, we have to see only natural scale. We have to take the natural scale. But in isometric projection, there is a reduced scale. Here, we will focus only on the isometric view. You can see the square A1, B1, C1, D1. Now, this is the top view. These two are the front views. Okay. We can see front view from here. So, when you are going, this is orthographic projections. This is orthographic projection. Then how you have to draw the top view, front view from these sides and front view from these sides in isometric scale. So first of all, you should know that in isometric scale there are three axes. First axis is 30 degree to the horizontal, second axis is the vertical axis, and third axis is again 30 degree to the horizontal. So this is more important. Now in top view, you can observe here you are looking from the top because front view is here, so you have to see from this direction. So top view, you can see while drawing the top view when orthographic projection is given here. So here A1 B1 same, you have to make here 30 degree angle. So A1 B1 equal to small A1 B1, then A1 D1 equal to small A1 D1. So this is your top view. Then in front view, when front view your observer is here and you looking from this side. So this is a isometric view, and along with that while looking this isometric view, you have to draw the front view. So this, suppose this is a front view in orthographic position. So how we can look in isometric position when 30 degree angles are here? Okay, so this is first axis, second axis, and third axis. This is 30 degree. This is perpendicular to the horizontal, and this is 30 degree to the horizontal. So these are the three axes. Along these three axes, you have to make the isometric view. Now here, very important, when you are observing here, this is the origin. Okay, so A, B, C, D, A1, B1, C1, same thing you are looking here, A1, B1, C1, D1. Okay, then when you are looking from there, B is here. So B1, A1, B1, A1, B1, A1, D1, C1, or B, C, D, A. So we are looking from this side. So origin is here. So very important. These two cases we will see later on. Then here again, this is a rectangle. This is actually square, and we can see rhombus here. This is a rectangle. You can see here top view. Okay, when front view from this side, and here front view from this side. Okay, observer is here. You are looking from this side, and observer is here. You are looking from this side. So basically. Geometry is same, but projections are changing here. Okay, views are changing here. You can see here when you are looking from this sides, A to B is here. This is 30 degree angle, and when looking from observer is here, you can see here. Okay, and top view is here. Here observer is here and top view is here. So in this side, B to A here, and here A to B. So this difference you have to see carefully. Next, this is a hexagon. You can observe here. I have inscribed this hexagon in the square. This is very simple method. Okay, so there are 6 faces. Angle between these two lines is actually 120. So it is very important. Now, when front view there, this is actually top view, and this is a front view. Okay, this is a front view. You are looking front view. Actually, this is a top view, and this is front view. Now here you can observe here. Observer is here, you looking from, but looking from in that direction because you have to make the top view. Okay, so when along with that figure, you can observe here front view is here. So 2 to 1, 2 to 3. So this distance is same, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, same distance, square distance actually, and 2 to B and 2 to C, 2 to B, 2 to C, mark here. Then 1 to A, 1 to F, 1 to A, 1 to F, mark here. Then 4 to E, 4 to F, 4 to E, 4 to F. So along that you can make the hexagon. Same here, front view in that directions. Then important parameter is a circle. How you can make the circle? Because in isometric view you will see the ellipse. So this is very important. Basically there are two methods: point methods and 4 center method. Here we will follow the 4 center method. You observe here, this is a square, circle is inscribed here. So you can observe here, this is a front view. You are looking from this front view. So this is a front view actually. So A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. When observer is here, and if you want to draw the front view in orthographics, this is front view, below that top view, and here or here there will be side view. So this is front view, and there will be XY line, and you can see here top view. But here you have to draw the front view. Isometric views are given. We are we are going reverse. So here front view. So while looking from these sides, you have to draw A, B, C, D. So this is correct, A, B, C, D. Now here 4 center method. So first mark the centers, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the centers, center points. Okay, midpoints we can say. Now then draw the long diagonal AC, long diagonal. This is very important. Okay, then from the corner points of the small diagonal B dash and D dash, from the corner point of the small diagonals, okay, you can see here, join the midpoint of this line. Okay, from B dash you join here, okay, midpoint. Then from this you join this midpoint. Now you will get, this is a radius R, small r. Okay, so again when this long diagonal is cut by the short diagonal corner points from this point to midpoint, okay, and from this point to midpoint. Okay, so you will get, this is a center, C1 and C2. This is a center, this is center, and this is a radius. So taking this as a center and this distance as a radius, draw arc here, draw arc. Taking this as a center, this is a radius, draw arc here. So you will get 2 arcs. Then so C1, C2, this is based on the long diagonal, and this B and D, these are the another centers. Okay, C1, C2, these are the 2 centers on long diagonal, and B dash and D dash, these are the 2 centers of short diagonal. Okay, so from B, again you can observe here, from B join these lines midpoint, and from B, and this is a radius, capital R. So this radius is more as compared to this small radius. So from B you draw arc here, from D draw arc here. So combine this, you will get the ellipse. You will get this ellipse. So this is very important. Then in isometric view, for draw the semicircle, again same points. While drawing the semicircle, you have to inscribe the semicircle into square. Actually same method you have to follow, 4 center method, 1, 2, 3, 4, because you have to draw again full square here, otherwise it will be very difficult. So same points you can observe here. This is a long diagonal. From this point you can observe here center point. So this will get a radius. From this radius you draw arc, and from these points, so from center B1 and radius R you draw arc. So this is the semicircle. Same front view in that direction. If front view is in that directions, then if in top view, if you are looking from the top view, same method you are following. Okay, so in front view from this direction, or here also top view, both are top views, you can observe here. Then in isometric view, you can, if there is a curve, it is given, this is a orthographic, this is a isometric view. You can observe here from 2, I have taken here 30-degree line. Okay, these are the 1 axis, 2 axis, 3 axis, 3rd axis. So these 2 axes are 30-degree to the horizontal, and this is a perpendicular to the horizontal. Now from 2 to 1 along with 30-degree, you can observe here from 2 to 1 distance we have taken up to 30-degree. Then you make the rectangle as like this. So here you can observe here, I have marked here. Okay, from this point, from 4.4y distance, 4y distance is here, 4x distance is here. So mark here this x and y point, mark here. From y, from these lines, okay, from y you draw the perpendicular line. From this you draw the perpendicular line, you will get the intersect. You again observe here, up to y distance I have marked this 4y distance, 4y distance, 4x distance, 4x distance, 4y distance. From this point you draw the perpendicular line. For these lines you draw perpendicular line from this line, intersect point you will get. From this intersect point, and this is a radius, you mark the arc. Same here, we have done the process. Now here you can observe here, this is a front view, top view. Here you are making same rhombus we have drawn here. So again this is 30-degree, same distance from this distance is equal. Okay, so here semicircle I have drawn. Now what you have to do, you complete this portion. You see here this C1 I have extended. So now here you have to extend line. How much line you have to extend? This up to 10. So this 10 distance I have extended here. So from C1 to C1 dash you will get the center here. From C2 to C2 dash you will get center here. So this is very important. This is very from this C1 from this C1 or from this C2 you have to make the arc here. You have to just forward this, but this line, extended line from C1 to C2 center, C1 dash center, from C2 to C2 dash center line, these lines are parallel to this 30-degree line. So this is more important, and from this line you have to mark the arc here. That is more important. You always remember that. Then how to draw the isometric. So you have given front view, top view. This origin is very important. You can observe here, from this origin front view is going here. So from this origin front view will go there. It is more important. From this O, origin O, front view you have to draw from this side, right side. So from this O you are going from right side. You are going to right side. Again here left hand side view. Again you see that O left hand side. So you have to go left side here. From this, for this figure actually you have to take care, you go left hand side here. Left hand side view you have to draw here. Front view is here. So again you can observe here 1 2 1 2. Okay, this line is overlapping, this line is overlapping. That's why while drawing the you are looking, observer is here. While drawing the front view, 2 and 1 rectangle you can see. Then left hand side, when you are looking from the left hand side, you will get the double L. Okay, double L line. So this is important. Then here again it is very important. Here front view, left hand side view 1, here front view and right hand side view 1. Again O to front view is going from left side. O to front view going from left side, and from O to here it is going from right side view. It is going for right hand side view. So again same thing you can see here, from front view you are getting double L. This 1 2 double L. Then this portion you have to draw because this line is overlapping again. While looking from the front view side, this is very important. This 3 is observed here. This rib is inclined, but while looking, instead of looking when you are looking from this right hand side view, you have to see here right hand side view, but draw on the left hand side view of the front view. It is more important. While looking from the, you are looking right hand side view here, but while drawing in orthographic plane, this is front view and this is right hand side view. But this right hand side view is the left side of the vertical line, XY line, or left side of the front view. So this is more important. While drawing the ribs, you can observe here, this is ribs. Okay, so looking from these sides, you can't see this inclination, but you can see only this length. So this length, vertical length, equal to this length. This is more important, and this thickness is equal to this thickness. So it is more important. So again remember that this is the basics of the isometric view. While drawing, you have to take care related to the three axis, 30-degree to horizontal, okay, then vertical axis, okay, and how to draw the front view, top view, or how to take front view in isometric, or how to take the left hand or right hand side in the isometric view. So this is more important.